Home Remedies presents
Grandma's Lost Remedies for 13 Ailments. Our forefathers and foremothers used plants, common sense, and a little bit know-how to ease all types of pain and discomfort. In many cases, these treatments worked as well or better than the medications we purchase today. Plus, they worked without the risk of added chemicals and preservatives. I hope all of you agree with me in this. What's another side benefit? Many of these items are readily available on hand in your pantry. Today we will see those, so let's start. Congestion. Horseradish. Moisturize your forehead and undernose area. About 15 minutes later, wrap 2 to 3 teaspoons of grated horseradish in a soft cloth or cheesecloth and apply to the base of your nose or forehead until you feel a light burning sensation. Remove. Vitamin C. Squeeze the juice from half of a lemon into a cup. Drop the peel and remaining pulp into the cup as well. Add boiling water and a teaspoon of honey. Breathe in the steam as you stir and then sip slowly after it cools. Cough and sore throat. Basil. Chewing on some fresh basil leaves can relieve a dry cough. Gargle. Make a simple but effective mouthwash of salt and warm water or freshly squeezed lemon juice and warm water. Gargle and repeat as often as needed. Honey tea. Mix 2 teaspoons of honey with warm water or with an herbal tea of your choice. Sip twice a day. Nutshell tea. Place 5 ounces of nutshells in a teapot. Add water and boil. Sip slowly to soothe your throat. Cuts, scrapes, and bruises. Here are a few home first aid tips on hand to use. Banana peels. For minor cuts and scratches, wash the area and then rub gently with the inside of a banana peel. Bread and apple cider vinegar. To help heal a bruise, rub the area with bread that has been soaked in apple cider vinegar. Fever. Apple cider vinegar. Soak your socks in apple cider vinegar. Then put them on your feet and keep them on for about 20 minutes. You can repeat the process with fresh vinegar every half hour until the fever subsides. Headache. Potato slices. Did you know that you can treat headaches with potato slices? Apply 2 to 3 slices of raw potato to your forehead. If necessary, keep them in place with a scarf. Indigestion. Here are some old school remedies for an upset stomach. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Stir 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a cup of warm water and sip slowly to ease indigestion pain. Fennel. Chew a few pieces of raw fennel to help reduce gas and reduce stomach cramping. Peppermint. This is a time-honored treatment for upset stomach. Try sipping peppermint tea or sucking on a piece of peppermint. Insect bites and stings. Here are a few natural remedies for bites and stings from pesky insects. Apple cider vinegar. Apply apple cider vinegar with a cotton ball or a swab to the painful area. Baking soda and water. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it on the bite area and allow it to dry. Basil. Place freshly crushed basil or sage on the area. Onions, leeks, or cabbage. Apply slices of raw onions, leeks, or cabbage directly to the bite or sting. Tea bags. Press a used tea bag against the bite until the itching subsides. Insomnia. Dark red cherries. Fresh dark red cherries or juice made from them are an excellent source of melatonin, a hormone that helps to regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle. Eat cherries or drink tart cherry juice about an hour before bedtime to help relax and get a good night's sleep. Minor burns. To soothe the pain of a minor burn and to promote skin healing, try these home treatments. Aloe vera. Cut the leaves of an aloe vera plant open and gently smear the contents on the burn or sunburn. Banana. Lay the inside of a banana peel on the burn. Olive oil. Gently apply a layer of olive oil to the area. Onion or potato. Slice an onion or potato and gently rub the open surface on the affected skin. Muscle aches and pains. Cabbage. Soften 2 or 3 cabbage leaves in boiled water Place them around the affected area for a few hours. Cover them with a towel or a scarf as needed. Epsom salt. Soak in a warm tub of water mixed with a cup or two of Epsom salt for 15 minutes or until the water has cooled. Magnesium. This can help aching muscles. One way to get more in your diet is by adding a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses to your coffee or tea in the morning. Nausea. Ginger. Steep 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger root in boiling water to make a tea. Sip slowly after it has been steeped for 3 to 5 minutes. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that help ease morning sickness and mild stomach upset. Skin irritations and rashes. Walnut leaves. Boil green walnut leaves in water for 15 minutes. Let it cool before straining. Then apply the liquid to the skin using clean gauze or cloth. Chamomile tea. Another method is to apply cooled down or refrigerated chamomile tea to the irritated area with a cotton ball. Oatmeal. Add oatmeal to warm water to soothe and reduce itchiness, especially due to chickenpox. Toothaches. Now here are the tested remedies for toothaches. Clove oil. Soak a cotton ball in clove oil and press it on the painful area. Cloves. Chewing a few cloves also can provide relief. Garlic. Garlic is another natural remedy for tooth pain. You can simply press a clove of garlic onto the painful tooth. The garlic juice works as a natural anesthetic. Peppermint tea bags. Apply them to soothe sensitive gums and ease mouth pain. Not only do these treatments save time and money, but it feels good to use natural ingredients when we have an ailment. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.